Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, for your relationship and career situation. I'll be picking these cards, guys. So this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. So we will open these cards as we proceed, Leos. And I also have a fairy tale pick a card love reading after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that if you are interested, guys. So let's start with your general energy. We have 8 of Swords in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse, and 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Sorry, guys. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, maybe for some of you in your career or in your personal life, there are people who are quite jealous of you. They are seeing you as someone they can switch places with. So they want to grab your opportunities or offers, and they are working against you in some ways, guys. And they are envious. You need to be really careful today, guys. And maybe they feel that you are very talented, attractive, and many people are eyeing you in a very positive way. Many people see you as a beautiful, talented person, charming person. So again, that is causing envy. So they feel they are really jealous someone in your situation, guys. So that may really be a reason of worry, because they are doing things against you indirectly, guys. So they may pose as your friend or a family member, but their intentions are not good. So you need to be really careful, Leos. And I also see that maybe in your heart of hearts, you would have had faith on someone, trusted someone, but this person has broken your trust, or has led you into some kind of difficulty. So you trusted them and did something, but this person has left you all of a sudden, maybe. And I also see in your situation today, guys, maybe it may be in your personal life, maybe this person you love, or it may be a friend or a family member or someone from your work who is really essential or who is really crucial for your work. So this person is leaving you all of a sudden. So some unforeseen circumstances are coming up today, something that is stressing you, troubling you a lot today, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card, guys, specific to your relationship. We have 4 of Cups. So you have your own worries today, guys, Leos. Maybe in your situation, if you are single, there is someone coming towards you, or there are many people coming towards you, but you are not aware of them. You are sinking in your own negative thoughts or concerns, guys. And maybe it is time you need to come out of it, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So it is Knight of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe for some of you, you are not making enough efforts in your career. You are quite careless, and you are maybe you are inert, you are not making enough efforts, or some kind of lethargic attitude is there. That may be the reason for some troubles in your work situation, guys, Leos. So that is the reading, guys. But though this these cards may point something negative to us. We need not worry, guys, Leos. These are just cards. So what we make of our life is truly in our hands. So we can make that right if we have that true intention, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, today is going to be like a pick a card, and it is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may point out to your situation or answer some questions you have in your mind or some confusion. So you need to just close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. This is your second card. So I will start after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, the first card. So let's see. It is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy. We all know the story, guys, story of Rapunzel. So it stands for liberation, freedom. So in your situation, whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that you are feeling trapped in something, some situation or some circumstance. You are unable to make some decision, and you are trying to isolate yourself. Maybe you are avoiding people literally, or you are trying to isolate yourself maybe for some reasons, and maybe you are not able to make your own choices, or someone is making those choices for you, and or someone maybe one person is influencing you, and you need fresh ideas, fresh inputs today, and maybe something is troubling you in your situation, guys, and you're trying to escape, or you're escaping from your situation, not ready to face your circumstance, maybe, guys, and you are having some negative thought patterns today, maybe in this love, maybe in this connection, and you feel you cannot leave this person, or maybe for some reasons you have, maybe it may be fear or something is blocking you from leaving them. You want to leave them, you want freshness in your life, or you want something else, but you are unable to make that decision today, guys, because something is blocking you. But in truth, it is in your own hands, guys. Your freedom is in your own hands, so you are free to make your own choices today, guys. So whatever you have in your mind, you can, or whatever you wish for, you can go with it if you have that strength and determination. And maybe for some of you, you have decided on some things, and but you're not, you have some inhibition to step into action. Maybe that time of waiting is over today, guys, and you are going to see your situation with a new perspective, and you are going to free yourself from the negative thoughts that you are having about your love or about your situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some fears or some negative memories because of your past, and that is what is holding you back today. But it is time you overcome all that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the second card. The Little Mermaid, Sacrifice. So this is your second card, guys. And the energy with this card is that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are sacrificing too much for this love, guys, or for this connection, for this person. Maybe you are doing so much, facing lot of trials, risking so much to belong to this person. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to change yourself so much. It may be even a physical kind of change through surgery, or you're making changes to your appearance, maybe to make you more appealing, make you more lovable. But you need to understand that pain and self-sacrifice will not lead you to an happy ending, guys. You have to have that, you have to love your true self, whatever you are. You should not be try to be something which you are not, guys. That will only take you towards more pain and suffering in life. So maybe you are desiring something and you want to do certain things which you are not, but only if you are true to your self, whatever you are honestly, only then it will give you peace of mind and happiness. And if you are trying to be something which you are not, it is not going to give you happiness, guys. So that is what this card is about. And you should stay away from relationships which demands too much from you, too much sacrifice, or it means it is something unbearable for you to make so much sacrifice or do so much for this love, for to be with this person. And you are unique in your own way, and you are precious in your own way, and the right person who will appreciate that will love you. So you need not worry, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So if you are in a situation where you have to pay too much for this love, you need to think twice, guys, before going in deep with that connection. So that is a reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.